Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the main volume in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the options. Now here we need to select the audio, it's right here. And right up top we will have the main volume. As you guys can see, I'm just clicking my left mouse button on the right side to make it higher, so to increase it. And here I can make the main volume lower by decreasing it. I click with my left mouse button, as I've mentioned, and you guys can also hold to make it quicker. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.